Hey, Danny here, and welcome to my vlog. And this is, I just bought it. And you know, if I buy something, I'm going to do a video evaluation on it, and I'll do another one on it in 6 months. Well, it's wintertime, and I don't know, I'm into gloves. I'm into gloves, I'm into lights, I'm into knives. So, you know, if I purchase anything in that line, it's going to be under I just bought it. Well, I saw these and I was comparing these to the what was the other ones? Nuts. Igloo brand gloves. And there was a pair similar to these, but they were $17. And these are Swiss Tech, and you got the square up there, so I believe it's the same company that makes the Swiss Army knife. And I need something light. I hate the boggy down gloves, and I've got small hands, so I found these, and we'll see how well they work in cold weather. These are small, medium, and they got just a little bit of, like I said, I got a small hand, so there you go. It's just that little bit of play in the end of the fingertips. Pull them down, and it takes it pretty much right up to the end. And I guess they're set up for tech. I don't know if it'll set off my phone. I don't know if I can do that, but I like the rubber. I like these rubber grips, and they feel pretty light. So I'll let you know how well they are in 30-degree weather up here. And that's the Tech. And if I find these aren't what I want, I'm probably going to go back and I'll try the Igloo brand in the same size. And unfortunately, what happens a lot of times is I wind up using these in the garage, and I wind up destroying them, or I wind up with one glove. I hate when that happens. I've got two nice pair of gloves, and I've got two right hands. I have no idea where the left's one. So, anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe. Hey, let me know if you've used these Swiss Tech brand, and let me get your opinion on them. And it's got the little signia on saying warm, so I don't know what the cold performance on them is. Of course, they're made in China, 69% polyester, 27% nylon, and 4% spandex. So we will see. Peak stretch for added comfort, peak touch screen compatible. Okay, so it must mean they're good for my phone. Okay, well, we'll see. That's my phone. Dying on me. It's touchscreen. Yep, sure did. Yep. And so it is touchscreen. There you go. So you could use them for your phone. Alright, so again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and share. And we'll catch you on the next I Just Bought It. Right. Hey, Dana here. And welcome to my vlog. This is a continuation on these Tech gloves. We got a 15-mile-an-hour wind right now. It is 32 degrees and a real feel of 22. I'll put my hand up and I can feel the wind is blowing right on through my glove. So there's really not that much seal. For weather like this, they're gonna fail. So there you go. That's the real time, real feel with these gloves. I can feel it. I can feel it blowing right through my palm. So you don't want these in extreme cold weather. Probably 40 degrees and warmer, they'll be great. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. We'll catch you on I just bought it.